My name is Joanna Nieves, and I'm the owner of the Nieves Law Firm in Oakland, California, where we take the criminal out of criminal defense. Our mission is to restore the reputation of people who've been accused of crimes and to help them plan for a better future. Just a little background about me. I am Puerto Rican and Trinidadian. My dad's Puerto Rican, my mom's Trinidadian. I grew up my early childhood in St. Croix, U.S. Virgin Islands. Moved to Florida in Miami and spent most of my life in Florida. I went to high school at the School for Advanced Studies. After that, I received a full ride to Florida State University, where I got my first degree in multinational business, my second degree in finance, and then I returned a year later to get my law degree. After I finished law school, I moved to California and took the California bar. I did this because my second year of law school, I interned at the Sacramento County DA's office, and I decided I wanted to live in California. So I took the California bar, passed, thankfully, and took a position at the Sacramento County DA's office. I worked there for a couple years until I accepted a position at a civil firm down in Los Angeles, Woodland Hills area, where we did creditors' rights. Basically, it was debt collection enforcement. I represented one of the biggest debt collectors in the nation. And then from there, I decided I wanted to start my own firm, which I went back into the criminal law field because that's really what I wanted to do. And I started the Nieves Law Firm. Since then, we have grown exponentially year over year. I've spent a lot of time really focusing in on how can I help as many people as possible and just make impactful change. That's what I want to do, build trusting relationships and make impactful change. So I figured the more people I help, the more I'm spreading that throughout the world, throughout my communities. Right now, we have I guess what you would call or consider a small to mid-sized firm. We're growing. I've been named to Rising Star Super Lawyers for about the last 6 or 7 years in a row. We've been named to the Law Firm 500 for the last 2 years in a row. We've also been named as a Seminole 100 Award recipient for the last 2 years in a row. The firm is doing good work. I really believe that the reason we get recognized so often is because we truly believe in providing really good high quality work to the clients who hire our firm. I strive for excellence. I expect excellence out of my employees and want to do well by doing good. I really, our focus is on some more of the convoluted criminal defense matters, a lot of higher level felony cases, sex cases. We do handle misdemeanors, but most of our cases revolve around sex crimes, drugs, firearm offenses, and serious theft robbery offenses. We also find that we get a lot of restraining order cases in our firm. We do some family law contempt actions. We don't do family law, just the contempt side, because it is a quasi-criminal action. And we spend a lot of time working on post-conviction relief, meaning that we represent people who are facing immigration consequences such as deportation or denial of naturalization or denial of some other immigration benefit based on a past conviction. We go back in time essentially and we undo past convictions through motions to vacate so that they can seek out the opportunities that should be afforded to them with their immigration counsels. And then we also do a lot of post-conviction work for people who have been incarcerated with very lengthy sentences, meaning people who are serving more than 15 years in state prison. And so what I'm looking forward to is just continuing to build my practice in a way that reaches as many people as possible, connecting with families, restoring showing reputations and showing people that I really care and I expect my staff to care as well. And hopefully that is what continues to help us being successful and getting the results that we aim to achieve for those people that trust their lives with us. And I look forward to working with other people who have the same goals and aspirations for just doing good work in the community. Thanks.